Zongzi is a quintessential food during 端午节. Every region in China make it a little differently. And Red Date Zongzi is one of the most popular types in northern China. It's also my family's favorite. Let's get started. First, we're gonna soak the bamboo leaves in water for overnight. The next day, we're gonna thoroughly clean the bamboo leaves and drain. Today I'm using short grain glutinous rice because that's what my family usually uses. So should you use short grain or long grain for zongzi? Here are some fun facts. Short grain is softer and stickier than the long grain and is widely used in northern parts of China. On the other hand, long grain is firmer and shinier than the short grain and is mostly used in southern parts of China. Rinse the glutinous rice and soak in water for at least 4 hours to overnight. Drain. Rinse the dried red dates. Drain. In a mixing bowl, transfer in the glutinous rice and sugar. Mix well. Set aside. To assemble the zongzi, working with 3 bamboo leaves at a time. Dry them with paper towels. Trim off about 1 inch of the ends. First, take 2 of them, smooth side up, and place the smaller and shorter one on top of the bigger one. And fold them into a cone. Fill with 1 tablespoon of glutinous rice, 3 red dates. You can add more if you like. And another 3 tablespoons of glutinous rice. To cover the cone, place another bamboo leaf on the side. Fold the right side in, and the left side in, and the rest of the leaves. Tightly wrap a cooking twine around the zongzi for several times and tie a knot. Repeat with the rest. Another interesting thing about zongzi is that every region, every household, or everyone might wrap it differently. Just like painting, you and I both paint the same object, and the painting could end up looking very differently. To cook the zongzi in a large pot of water, place in the zongzi. They should be completely submerged in the water. Cover with a lid and bring it to a boil. Turn to medium heat and cook for 2 hours. Checking every 30 minutes and adding additional hot water if it no longer covers the zongzi. So should you boil or steam your zongzi? I think there is no right or wrong to this question. There are pros and cons to both. Every region in China does it differently, so it really depends on your preferences. My family has been boiling zongzi as far as I could remember, so this is how I cook zongzi as well. Take out the zongzi and drain. Let them cool for about 30 minutes before opening, so that they hold their shape better. Cut the twine and enjoy. This is truly amazing, so delicious. The sticky rice is fully infused with the aroma of bamboo leaves. It's slightly sweet, not too much. It's just so delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also, and comment below and let me know what is your favorite filling for 粽子. Happy 端午节，端午节快乐! I'll see you next week. Bye!